Good morning, friends. Today we shall deal with the verb to be. It's a very important verb in the English language, and one has to know all its tenses because it can be used as singular verb, independent verb to be, or it can be used as an auxiliary, that is a helping verb. Helping verb. Now let us see the and to be has its six senses. Now let us deal perfectly with this verb to be so that your base becomes very strong. Now to be, I am, first person singular, present tense. I am, we are, you are, you are, he, she, it is, they are. So this is the present tense of the verb to be. Then have the past tense. I was. I was in college in 1975. I was. Past tense. You, we were. I was, but all of us, we were in college. So I was, we were, you were, singular, plural. He, she, it was, and they were. So you have to learn these by heart. There is no other way out of it. Then you have the future tense. I shall be, I shall be, and we also, we shall be. I shall be, I shall be 18 next month. We shall be 100 years old after 50 years. We shall be. So I shall be, we shall be, you will be. With you use the to be verb will be, future tense. You will be, plural also. And he, she, it will be old. And they shall be, they shall be. He, she, it will be, and they shall be. See, you have to learn this. There is no out of this, no shortcuts for this. Then the present perfect tense. I have been to college in London. We have been, I have been, we have been. You have been, singular, you have been, plural. He, she, it has been. And they have been to London. So this is the present perfect. Present perfect, you have to use the verb have, had, and the past participle. So you have used the past participles here. To be, past participle is been. I have been. Have is the auxiliary and been is the past participle. I have been to college in London. It's a past perfect tense. Then you have the future perfect tense. I shall have been. In the future, you are saying, I shall have been. Listen to me carefully. It's the future. I shall have been to London by the 15th of December. It's not now, it's a future tense you're talking about. That will be perfect. We shall have been. You don't use the word I will have been and we will have been. With I, you use the auxiliary shall have been. Then second person, you will have been. Singular and plural, you have been. Third person, he, she, it has, will have been. Will have been. They will have been. So this is the conjugation of the verb to be. This is extremely important. I am, you are, I am, we are, you are, he, she, it is, they are. This is the single tense of the verb to be. Past tense, I was, you were, he, you were, he, she, it was, they were. Future tense, I shall be, we shall be, you will be, you shall be. He, she, it will be, and they shall be. So in the future tense, you use the verb shall for all the plurals. We, you, they. Our present perfect is I have been, we have been, you have been, you have been. Both present, singular and plural. He, she, it has been, they have been. Past perfect. Action is complete. I had been, we had been, you had been, you had been. Singular, plural. He, she, it had been, they had been. And future perfect. I shall have been, we shall have been, you will have been. Singular. Plural, you shall have been. Singular, he, she, it will have been. And plural is they will have been. I think that's enough for today.